Welcome to the Joseph Drexel Memorial Award page, sponsored by murderedtheweb.com. Please check that site for full guidelines. Deframing the Frame is about debunking media via media, both in terms of content and style. What's key is that the work is done by an individual on his or her computer, without a crew and without a budget, using narration, text, found footage from the web to create a moving collage which communicates, which chisels out its version of truth through the interrelationship of the layers. Keep it short. Doris Humphrey, the great choreographer, wrote one book about dance. The first line is, "All dances are too long." I agree with Doris. Everything is too long, including this video, right? So cut to the chase. Make your piece as dense as possible and as short as possible. 5 to 10 minutes seems an optimum length. So go ahead. Come on, there's no entry fee. No one can use a budget. It's you at your computer and them at their computers. And the first prize is $3,000. The world belongs to those daring enough to seize it. Always has, always will. Be daring enough to refine, redefine our language. Have fun. I look forward to seeing what you have to say.